Right, and solipsism is one of those unfinished or faulty philosophy.
I would like to reiterate or reiterate. It is centered around a self-referential and empirical analysis only, which is based on subjective experience. This is not inferential.
Happenstance, we could call it coincidence or synchronicity. So there's, and then you have fatalism. Fatalism is what?
Do you have an interest, some training in linguistics, and then the
Even.
Yeah, okay.
Hi mom, hi dad.
area where you can't really determine if these experiences are just subjective or it's a phenomenon as a whole. You have to embrace every facet of its enigma. So I didn't just in music you have also
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
trajectory that occurs.
Look in cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.